This is Nasturtium. It is an annual herb that's super easy to grow. It can be grown in zone 2 through 11 in sun or semi-shade. They are not picky about soil, and if you use a rich soil or potting mix, it actually encourages more leaf growth than flower blooms. They have a delicate root system, so it's best to plant them directly. It takes about 10 to 12 days for them to germinate, and then 35 to 52 days for them to flower, depending on the variety. It can be planted in containers or in ground. It is a great companion plant in the garden because it deters unwanted bugs, but also attracts a variety of pollinators. The leaves, stems, flowers, and seeds are all edible on this plant. It is high in vitamin C, it's antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. It has been known to help treat UTI infections, bronchitis, sinus infections, and wounds. This plant is native to northern South America and parts of Central America. The Spanish brought this flower to Europe, and Thomas Jefferson had this in his garden. It was also used as a substitute for black pepper during World War II. Each flower on the plant will produce 2 to 3 seeds. This plant will give you enough seeds for a lifetime. When the seeds are picked fresh like this, they can actually be pickled and made into a substitute for capers. After picking the seeds, lay them out to dry for a couple weeks so that they don't mold on you when you store them. This is all the seed we collected from just a few plants. This is a great guide on how to use and eat them. Herbal Academy also has some great tips. Here's a study on nasturtium versus antibiotics. This is